Okay, continuing on. Line P goes through this point and is perpendicular to the x-axis. If they have a problem like this, draw the picture. We want the equation of the line. So we're going to draw the picture. It goes through point 6, 2, which would be about right here, wouldn't it? And it is perpendicular to the x-axis. If it's perpendicular, it's going to look like this, isn't it? Now then, this line crosses the x-axis. Our x is 6. So the equation of this line would be x equals 6. If the line were flat, it would be y equal 2, wouldn't it? So just make sure if it's like this, you draw a picture of it, and it's going to be x equal or y equal. Okay, line N goes to these 2 points. Write it in slope-intercept form, so we need the slope, don't we? So we're going to do y2 minus y1, right? So 1 minus a negative 5 all over 8 minus a negative 4. If you punch this in the calculator as is, you'll get your slope. This is going to be 1 plus 5, which is 6. 8 plus 4 is 12, and that's going to be 1/2, isn't it? Which is my m. I'm going to use this point, so I'm going to have y plus 5 equals 1/2 parentheses x plus 4. So I use this point and that slope, and I plug it into the point slope. I want slope-intercept form, so I want y equal mx plus b. So I need to get rid of the 2. So I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So y plus 10 equals, and if I distribute the 1, this won't change, x plus 4. Now then, all I got to do is move over the 10. And I'm going to have a 2y, I'm sorry. So 2y equals x minus 6. Divide everything by 2. And I'm going to get y equals 1/2 x minus 3. Okay, next one, line G is parallel to this line and goes through this point. Write the equation in standard form. So I'm going to write down this equation, and this right here is my slope, right? And I want a slope that's parallel to it so it won't change. So this is going to be my m, wouldn't it? If it were perpendicular, I'd flip it and change the sign, right? Now then, I'm going to use this point and that slope and plug it into point slope. So y minus 16 equals 3 over 4, parentheses x plus 6. I need to get rid of the fractions, so 4, 4, and 4. Scratch these out. 4y minus 64 equals, distribute the 3, 3x plus 18. Move over the 64, minus 64, right? So 4y equals 3x, and then the negative's bigger. Take 18 away from 64, you get 46. 46. Is that right? 64 plus 18. Yeah, that's right. Then divide by 4. Oh, wait, we want standard form. Move over the 3x. So negative 3x plus 4y equals negative 46. And then switch all the signs. So 3x minus 4y equals 46. This is the equation in standard.